What's going on, everyone? I'm Too Slick. I'm a Harley Davidson stunt rider, and we're here today to learn how to backflip a dirt bike.
When should we whip it?
Riding Harleys got me back around Scotty, who is a freestyle motocross rider, and that has kind of brought it full circle back to me wanting to ride dirt bikes again. I never had a chance to ride ramps, and that was always something that looked super cool to me, but just didn't really have access to anything like that. So it's awesome to have met someone that does have ramps and access to a foam pit and all this stuff, and so it's just got me eager to learn, and it's been a pretty awesome experience. Good morning.
Good morning. Why don't you tell them where we're at and what we're doing today?
All right. We are at Cowboy Kenny Bartram's house. So pretty cool experience already. Kenny Bartram is still a really well-known freestyle motocross rider from kind of back in the heydays of freestyle motocross, early 2000s. I feel like freestyle was it was a really, really big deal then, and these guys were kind of like superstars almost. So they got to do a lot of cool things, and he was able to build this whole crazy compound. Scotty knows him, and this is where Scotty learned how to flip a couple weeks ago. Yeah, we're gonna play around in the foam pit and kind of see what happens.
Yeah, we're gonna start on the super kicker down there before we get into the main ramp. This will be our super kicker hit. Then we'll go off first. We're gonna pull the roof off this thing right now and gear up and get ready to get after it. So let's go for it.
I think there.
Pretty darn close. That's confusing. So yeah, just make sure both of them are hooked. Pull the tension out of it. Get your fingers out of the way. Cool. And then I'll go up. And if for some reason you're upside down, one of us will be diving in after you. We'll know right when you come off the thing if you're going to or not. So as soon as you hit it, dive in right after it. Okay. So
And I want to kind of still do the same thing, right? Like cruise and then walk.
Nope. On this one, you just want to
same consistent throttle the whole way.
Yeah, because if you bark it on the face, you're
Straight
going.
up. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, just come in nice and easy. Just consistent throttle all the way up to the top. Come back.
Super kickers for breakfast. Love it.
Left me a fucking nice stacker that I added with a little bit of slick that
I definitely never thought I'd be even doing like Superman seat grabs off a ramp, and so to be doing this kind of stuff already is a really cool experience. And yeah, I guess I'm just confident in my ability, and if I feel like I can do something, then I'll go into it with confidence, and if I'm ever nervous, then I'm gonna step back down and whatever. So yeah, should be a good time.
This gentleman is about ready to just feel how a backflip feels by turning around and flipping in the foam pit off his feet.
Which I can't ever do. I can't even hardly backflip
like
on a trampoline. So.
So that was pretty good. First backflip in the pit.
So this is a super kicker. I've never hit one before, and they're worried I might go too far, so they're saying they just want me to straight jump it basically, so I can find where I'm going to land in the pit, and then we'll see how that goes, and then maybe we'll start sending some flips.
You want to try a pull? It's not even really a pull on this one. It's not much.
That's what I like.
You don't like pull. You don't yank.
I think it's pretty much just putting my ass on the back of the seat and
right there.
leaning, right, and pulling, I guess.
Just like you do a BMX bike,
till the top.
Wait longer before you do it.
Yeah.
Until the front tire comes off the ground.
Okay. Too Slick. We are at Kenny Bartram's house, and I'm gonna try a backflip. Been riding ramps for a couple of days now.
Day 4 on the ramps. First day on the super kicker. First attempt. Just brings it right around. I endorse this stunt right here.
Man, that's not horrible.
No.
It's, I did. Yeah, wow.
There you go. The super kicker basically flips itself.
Dude, yeah.
You don't have to have much.
Not much involved with it.
No,
Well, just straight dumped it, so straight jumped it twice. It's kind of in the same spot every time, so I think I'm gonna just send a flip now. And it's not very fun to jump into it just straight, so I think we'll try it. He's just getting tweaker vibes right now, you know? gas off the lift, which I know I needed to, kind of. I think it seemed a little bit like I pulled a little lazy.
Nah, pull was good. The pull was
alright, yeah. You were just a little deep.
Yeah, it was like absolutely perfect for your first flips. You want to go a little deep. You want to be a little over rotated, like.
Yeah, you slowed it down though when you realized you were over. When you came in,
I don't like this. I don't like the shadow like you're talking about. Yeah.
Gnarly, huh?
Yeah, it made it way harder to see what was going on.
Was like that, and I was like, whoa, dude, that was... Oh, that's so wild. Wow.
I feel to finally do it to a bag.
So good. I was riding all day and I just was trying other stuff, and like the whole time I was just thinking about doing that, and I was like, I don't know, I'm just the way my head works. Like if I want to do something besides what I'm doing, it's just going to throw off everything that I do. So I was like, fuck it, I just have to do it. It's kind of nerve-wracking because it's been like it's been a couple weeks, 3 weeks since I was at the foam pit. So this was like my first one. I wasn't able to go to foam, and then this, which was kind of nerve-wracking, but I feel like that'll make it way easier for me to do it kind of everywhere else. So stoked. It feels like I wanted to do that for so long, like so long, and I never thought I'd have the chance to do it. So it's pretty cool.
What did you think?
I knew he was gonna do it. I put my phone away like probably 30 seconds before that, and I knew that's when it was gonna happen. It did, so I'm glad that Chase was recording. It was sick.
Chase?
Gnarly. Shit was gnarly. Right there. Boom, boom. Dude, send that to me. You got airdrop?
No, it's been a really cool experience. I'm super thankful I've had the opportunity to like learn something that I've wanted to for a super long time. Just riding ramps in general is like super fun, and doing it with my friends, like really good times, and learning that's like a huge bucket list just checked off. It's cool. So.